guys, hope you are fine. This training is about how to make a parallax motion. To do this, you should have a lot of picture you want to. So here I have two picture and I drag it into this picture. And I don't need this layer and I inactive it. This icon should be unlocked and get copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J. So I don't need this layer 2, and with this tool quick selection I select so places you don't want to be in the frame, press Alt and click on it. So it's almost done. So, on your keyboard press delete to delete it and Ctrl D to out this selection. So this layer should be named cloud, and this building and is airplane. So cloud with lasso, I choose a portion of this sky. So it's done. And press Ctrl Shift I to reverse it. And from edit menu, fill it. Context should be content ever and color option should be ticked. Press OK and let it process it. It takes several minutes. It's up to your hardware how it's good. So active all this layer and press Ctrl D to add this selection and active all this layer. So you should convert this layer to a smart object. For airplane, Ctrl T to resize it, and it's good. I put it out of this picture. So building, press OK, building, Ctrl T to resize it, and press Shift Alt not to deform the building. Press OK and cloud, Ctrl T to resize it. And Shift Alt. And moved it to the right. So press OK and ready to make video timeline, create video timeline on this airplane, and airplane should be under this layer. So building this icon like a watch, you click on it and it create for me a frame and move it to the right, press Ctrl T and Shift Alt press OK and move the timeline at the beginning. So cloud and press on transforms and move it. Just press Ctrl T and move it to the left. Press OK and move the timeline at the beginning. An airplane transform and Ctrl T, move it like this. So press OK and you can see the animation is created. So you should render video and I don't know, make copy of this or save it by file, export and render video. This name select folder you want to be saved in high quality and resolution should be 1912 and 1080. Document, no, okay, render. It takes a lot of minutes. Please wait and be patient, please. After that, you can see your parallax motion, how very good it's done. And we can see together this tutorial is easy. I don't know. So it's up to your hardware how to very fast process or something like this. Thanks for watching. Hope to enjoy it.